You gotta get your work, Mike. You gotta get your work, Mike. If he ain't gonna work with you, you better work. We in the trenches.
I was better, man.